experienced a lot in this session. You have actually brought us the inner feelings completely. Though we have done these kind of activities in our school also, um, in a different way, in a different experience. But today, coming to the colorful, the class, Rempa ma'am, I mean, they keep telling us, when you write what you think, when you document what you do, it's a good memory for us, and it actually, refreshes us when you go and see. But when you put it in a different color, it denotes the depth of your emotions there. So that actually I experienced it a lot. The heart, the tree, I mean, which so we have done it as a tree of life there, and we have done as a my heart there. But the way it was brought today, it was a wonderful experience. Coming to music, ma'am, as Sudeshna ma'am, you had to mentioned that while driving, you listen to music. I cannot drive without listening to music.